Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a very exciting video. I'm going to be doing a iPhone 13 Pro Max unboxing and I have it right here and I'm very excited. I'll probably film the unboxing part like outside at the table, but we'll start with that. And then I also have this Amazon package and it's basically just like a bunch of accessories and stuff that I got from Amazon for the phone, and I'm very excited to like show that to you guys as well. And I also want to do a camera test, of course, to see like how the phone's camera performs, because apparently it's supposed to be really good. So yeah, that's what this video is going to be about. Okay, so I'll get started with the unboxing part. And guys, we are trying to hit 11,000 subscribers on this channel, so if you're new, make sure that you subscribe. Okay, I'm gonna hop into the video, but before I do, don't forget to hit the like button, and yeah, let's get started. Okay, so that's it for today's video. I hope that you liked it. If you did, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you want to see next, and I will see you next time. Bye! Right now, the camera that I'm filming on is the Canon M50, and I'm using like the 22mm lens as well, so that's the quality that you're seeing. And the microphone that I'm using is like an external mic, which I'll link down below, but that's kind of where the audio and like the, I don't know, like the footage is coming from. So I want to compare that to like the iPhone quality and footage to see what it looks like. And we're in natural light. I'm just sitting in front of a window right now. Oh my god, I'm so excited! Ah! Oh my god, it's huge. Oh my god, it's beautiful. I love that it doesn't come with the little plug-in. So funny. Ah, she's beautiful. Oh my god, it's huge. Okay, this is my iPhone 7, you guys. Look at the difference. Wait, that's so funny. I'm gonna try to turn it on. Oh, it turned on. Boop. I'm just setting it up now. I don't know how long this takes. I can't believe how easy it is to do now. Remember when you'd have to go to the place and have the guy like do it for you? Okay, it's saying that it's gonna take like 35 minutes for it to transfer the data from my phone. So I thought I'd do a little unboxing and show you guys all the stuff I got. So first thing first, I got this little case. It's just a clear case. It just looks like that. Just literally a clear case. I thought it was a hard case, but it actually kind of feels like silicone-y, which I actually like, so yeah. And then I got this little pop socket. It's a moon. I just think it's so cute. I don't know. I'm really excited about the pop socket. And then I got some tempered glass. This also comes with like the camera part, so I can put it over the camera, which important. And then lastly, I got this Selfie ring light kit. It's basically just a tripod. I don't know if you can tell with a ring light. And I don't know how it's in this small thing because I just figured it'd be huge. But this is what it looks like. It also comes with like a little remote so you can like take selfies, which is pretty cool. And I'm guessing this holds onto the phone. And then the actual little tripod and the mini ring light. It's so cute actually. I'm actually really excited because my other ring light like broke, so I had to throw it away. So now I have one. This is much smaller than my other one, and my other one was like extremely bright, so I highly doubt that this will like be as good, but it's still nice to just have one. I feel like for when lighting is just not that great. Like right now, actually, the sun is setting and we're losing light, so I might have to break this out for this video. Okay, not bad. Not my best work. The camera one, right? Whoa. Okay. Popsocket. This is like an ASMR video. ASMR.
Really, here's quite low.
Ta-ta! Okay, it literally just finished transferring data and now it's just like saying hello. I always agree to the terms and conditions without reading them, so I'm like, I don't know why this thing where it's like set up wallet, every time I'm like later, it takes a year. Okay, this is literally so crazy. It like transferred everything but now it's just like downloading everything again, but I'm impressed. Okay, anyways, while it's doing that, I'm gonna go ahead and do the camera test, which I'm so excited for. Okay, so it's asking me to choose the style. So I'll just take like a picture then, I guess, so I can show you guys. Whoa, the quality is insane. Okay, took a little selfie, so I'll like put it on the screen so you guys can see. But what I'm actually really excited for is, of course, the wide angle. And the sun is actually setting right now and I feel like lighting is pretty good. But of course, we want to do the video test. Okay, so this is me filming on the iPhone and this is like the selfie camera. So this is what it looks like and this is what the audio sounds like. Okay, and then of course, you want to do the other camera. I never know if HD 30 is good or HD 60. Like, do you guys know which one is better? I want to say 60, but I literally have no idea. Hello. I can't see myself, so I don't know what it looks like, but this is the quality of the front camera. Okay, and then what's cool is that you have like the 3 different like lenses, like the wide angle and then the zoom. I'll try the wide angle next. Okay, so this is the wide angle lens. Oh my god, it looks really good. And then I'm gonna try the cinematic one. Okay, this is the cinematic mode. Okay, this is the cinematic mode. I feel like, I don't know if the front camera is better or I'm guessing the regular camera is better than the selfie one. Oh, interesting. When you're doing cinematic, you can only do 1 or 3. You can't do like the 0.5, which is like the super wide angle one. Okay, cinematic camera test. Holy crap, that actually looks so good. It almost looks like very HD, you know, that I can see on my phone. I don't know how it's gonna look like when I'm editing and stuff, so I will let you guys know when I'm editing. But so far, I'm so impressed with the quality of the camera. Hopefully, I'll feel the same way when I'm editing, but I'm really excited to like compare it to this camera, which is like a DSLR one, so you guys can kind of see the difference. But I definitely understand why people feel like they can just vlog and like film YouTube videos with this phone rather than getting a camera. Because also, if you're trying to grow like your YouTube channel, then having a phone would be nice because you can like make TikToks, make YouTube shorts, make Instagram reels. Whereas with a DSLR, you can only do YouTube videos. So yeah, I'm excited to like play around with this more. I'll probably do a comparison video between this and the Canon G7x Mark II, because that's like my go-to vlogging camera, and I'm curious to see if this phone could actually just like replace it. So yeah, stay tuned for that and subscribe for that. And it's really dark now, so I think I'm gonna end the video here. I'm gonna put on my screen protector and everything later, and I'll insert that clip somewhere. But yeah, I'm so excited for my new phone. I can't believe how easy like setup and everything was. That was insane. But it's so big, I'm like still not used to it because look at like the iPhone 7 and then look, it's huge. Do you see that? Wow. Oh wait, let's take a picture for the thumbnail. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you liked it. If you did, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you want to see next, and I'll see you next time. Bye!